What's good, traders? Welcome back to a brand new video on the Brazil FX trading. So guys, today I'm going to be reviewing ForexChief, one of the best brokers that offers up to $500 welcome bonus and also $100 no deposit bonus. Guys, I'm going to be also explaining on how you can open an account, deposit money, and then create a trading account, with MT4 and all that, guys. So make sure to subscribe to this channel, give it a like, turn on notification bell so that you never miss out whenever we post a video. Let's get started. Guys, even before we start, guys, 100% recommend this broker because it offers a no deposit bonus, and also it offers bonuses whenever you deposit money, guys. A lot for this is because most of the traders have like really small accounts, so meaning if you deposit like $100, that's all you have, you can receive more than 100% bonus. So let me start my screen. So I'm going to show you their websites and everything, traders. As you can see, traders, this is how the platform looks like when you log in. This is how the platform looks like. Again, I told you last time, guys, for me it's transparency for me. So before we do even anything, guys, we always want to check, is that broker registered? So we're going to scroll down here. Just scroll down to the extreme end here, and you're going to see the registration. It's right down here. So you tap this, as you can see, then it's going to bring us here. As you can see, the company name is called ForexChief. Registration number is this one. The license is that one. Then the certificates are this one. So they're registered under Financial Markets Association. That's why they're registered. So this is a registered broker, guys. So there's nothing to worry about your money being trading with a broker that is going to manipulate your markets. No, this is a registered broker. So now let's go back here so that we can first maneuver this first page. So this is ForexChief, as you can see. So as you can see, guys, when you scroll through here, you're going to see it's registered and licensed. We trade on MT4 and MT5. We have a wide range of contracts. You can trade Forex, metals, commodities, indices, CFDs, stock FDSs. So you're not going to be limited on how many instruments are you going to be trading, as you can see, guys. So then aggregated liquidity, guys, tight spreads from 0 pips. No dealers and no records, guys. And this is always that I always look out for from brokers. I haven't seen this in most of the brokers. This is the first time I'm seeing this here. You see, for those that guys who want to do partnership, as you can see, I can do a partnership, and then you're adding a CPA for each client up to $300, which is crazy, guys. Again, the bonus says no deposit bonus, welcome bonus, and turnover rebates. As you can see, guys, very interesting. I haven't seen this in other brokers. Then the popular services, as you can see here, we have the investment accounts. This is for guys who have, if you're a good trader, and then you can connect other traders onto you, and I use such you can trades that you place, they go straight to their accounts, and you're making money off them. So and then you're receiving passive income here. Then bonuses, again, as I told you guys, we're receiving up to $100 no deposit bonus, then welcome bonus up to $500 US, as you can see right here. Then this is now for people that are doing the partnership with the broker. Then commission, again, you're also eating commission, as you can see, commission up to $15 per 1 million US dollar. Then trading credits up to $20,000 US, investment support up to 30% of the deposit, as you can see. Then personal manager, as you can see right here, free VPS, education and supported robots, as you can see. Then we have a turnover rebates. This is also, guys, just go through all this. As you can see, guys, this is the first account we have, the direct FX. This is the popular account. Type in Forex trading, ForexChief trading accounts designed for traders looking for a tight spread, with the small broker commissions, no dealers, no. Bro, this is perfect choice for those people who want to trade on clear quartz flow without makeups. Broker fee is just $15 per $1 million turnover, as you can see, guys. So here, this account type, you can trade it in dollar, euro. You can trade it in dollar, euro. Market execution. Type of execution is market execution. Then spread, we have 0.3 pips. Crazy. Then commission here we have Forex metals CFDs. Again here $15 per 1 million turnover. 1 million. Stocks, as you can see, and crypto is 0.1%, which is crazy. Maximum leverage is 1 to 1,000. So here bonus says no deposit bonus 100. You receive also welcome bonus for $500. Trading credits up to 70%. So various trading platforms, again, you're using MT4, MT5, mobile trading, and Here we have limitations, no limitations. So that is one of the accounts we have. Then we have also the sent account. We have this experiment account, as you can see right here. So the flagship in line of ForexChief trading accounts. Tightest spreads, best order execution, priority support, and personal manager. So this is now for the big boys, you know. This is the one for the big boys, as you can see. This is mostly for professionals, you know, people are going to deal with like really big amounts of money and all that. Again, you trade this one in dollar, euro, GBP, CHF, and JPY. Market execution, that is the type of execution that we're dealing with here. Then our spread is from 0 pips. Commission, Forex, metals, commodities, indices, as you can see right there. Maximum average, again, it's just the same, 1 to 1,000. Then bonuses, you receive $500 bonus. Trading credit is up to 70%. Then turnover rebates. So again, trading platforms is MT4 and MT5. Then the last account is our sent account. This is this. So our another account is the sent account. As you can see, this is now for people who like really are trading with really small money. So sent account is an intermediate stage between demo and live trading. You see, so which allows to start trading with real money smoothly without big stress. No commission, no limits for minimum and maximum balance. Any strategy or robots are allowed. Good choice for beginners. So this is a good choice for beginners, as you can see. As you can see here, you're trading in dollar or euro market execution. Then you're trading from 0 pips. That is spread. Then the commission is free. Then maximum leverage is 1 to 500. Then bonuses here you don't receive any bonuses on the sent account. Then you're using MT4 and MT5 as your trading platforms. Then the classic one. This is the classic one. So the classic account type is this is a type with a floating spread, no commission for forex trading. The most choice for experienced traders who prefer perfect basic conditions. Orders are executed in market execution mode, while the speed of execution ranges from 100 to 150 milliseconds under regular market conditions. As you can see, guys, this is a good account for experienced traders. As you can see, you trade the currencies dollar, euro, GBP. Then market execution is type of execution is market execution, and spread goes up to from 0.6 pips. Commissions, as you can see right there. The leverage is 1 to 1,000. Then here you receive also no deposit bonus of $100, welcome bonus of $500. Then trading credits of 70% up to 70%. Trading platforms are just the same, MT4, MT5, guys. As you can see, guys. So the types of depositors we have bank wire. So we have bank wire, we have local bank wire, we have Skrill, we have private money. But I'm going to be talking more on how we use Bitcoin to make transfer here. So when you're trying to create an account, guys, you just have to come up here. So you just have to come up here. So you just have to dive in, open a live account, you tap there just like that. Then you're in here, you're going to fill your name right here, your full name. Then you're going to put it in your country of citizenship. Then here you're going to put in your number right here, your phone number, then your email. Put in your email here. Then here you can put in my referral code. I'm going to be leaving a referral code down there. And also here you click, you agree to the terms and conditions. Then here you continue. When you continue, then they'll send you an email on your email so that you can verify your email and then have access to your account. So since I already have an account, I'm just going to log in just like this. I highly recommend this account, guys. So when you log in, guys, the first things first, how do we open a trading account? So how to open a trading account now? Inside the live trading account, come here and tap here, open a trading account. So right there, guys, as you can see. So when you open a trading account, you're going to select here either you want MT4, MT5. So I select MT4, then I can select the type of account that I want. Remember, we have the direct FX, we have the classic, then we have the sent MT4 direct FX, and also the sent MT4 classic plus. I recommend the MT4 direct FX, and the reason for this is because on such a type of account you're going to receive the $500 welcome bonus, and also you can receive the no deposit bonus. But if you open with a sent account, you can't receive any of these bonuses, guys. I repeat, you can't receive any of these bonuses. So you tap this one right there. Then I'm going to choose the currency. I always like to trade in the dollar because it's the reserve currency of the world. Then I'm someone who trades with a small leverage. I don't use a bigger leverage. Then I tap open like that. So now they're going to send me the details. They're going to send the details of my account. As you can see, they've sent me the details. These are all the details. Now all I just need to make a deposit. So how do we deposit? This is how we deposit, guys. Tap that like that. As you can see. Then I'm going to choose here crypto because crypto is way faster for me. So I also recommend you guys to use crypto. Again, here when you're using crypto, guys, make sure the network, make sure you're sending only to BTC. If you're using BTC, only send to that BTC network that I've given you. Then make sure to confirm properly so that you don't make any mistakes. So here you can see, I can either choose from crypto, perfect money, advanced money. Then I'll have here the Tether. Then we have Skrill, then faster pay. We choose the coin here that you want. So we have so many coins. We have BTC, we have XRP, we have Ethereum. So for me, I like to use USDT, and I'm going to use USDT TRC20. This one right here, as you can see, this is TRC20, as you can see. Then I'm going to put in the amount. I can put in an amount like, let's say $100. So when I put in $100 there, as you can see, the minimum amount is $10. Anyone can afford this, guys. Then I'm going to choose the account that I want this money to go to. So let's choose this first one. Then I accept. When I accept like this, then I'm going to choose the bonus that I want to receive. So I want to receive 70% of my $100 that I'm going to deposit. Then tap continue like this. So I'm depositing $100, so I'm going to be receiving $70 bonus. So I will be having $170. $170, guys, which is crazy, as you can see right here. So the bonus is $70, as you can see. I'm receiving 70% of my $100 here. So right now I'm going to be having $170, as you can see, guys. So then that's my account right here. Then as you can see, then I'm just going to tap continue. Then I'm just going to receive the details, as you can see right here. So these are my details on how to proceed from Bitcoin. Proceed from making my payment. So here I'm just going to copy my address here, copy this address, then put it on my Binance, and then also copy this amount and put it on my Binance, and I'm going to be doing that. So let me do that now. As you can see, guys, now I'm done with my payment. So here I'm just going to tap here, order is paid. As you can see, I've put in order is paid, so request is received. So the moment this is all done, I'm going to be receiving my money in my trading account, as you can see, guys. So apart from this, then if I want to withdraw your amount, you can still come here and tap withdraw. So since this is my first deposit, I need to first that money has to first reach in, then I can be able to withdraw. Now I can't withdraw because that money is still in the process of getting into my account. Then I can do an internal transfer. So if I have any money in my account, I can do an internal transfer here, then transfer money between my accounts. So if I want to remove money from one account to another, I can just do an internal transfer right here. Then you can see you can also see the bonuses from here. As you can see, guys, you can see turnover rebates, trading credits, and then will come bonuses. You can claim them from here. Another thing is, for you to verify your account, you need to go to your Google Play Store or your Apple Play Store and make sure to download this app, the app for ForexChief. Then make sure to verify from that side, and then also claim your bonus from that side. That's what you need to do, guys. When we continue, then partnership again. For those that want to enter partnership with these guys, you can definitely do it. You're going to be getting commissions whenever you refer people, and then they're opening up an account with your link and they're trading. And as long as you're trading and influencing them in a good way, whenever they make money, you're also making money. As you can see, guys, so this is the platform Traders. I highly recommend it. Very transparent, guys, as you can see. And also, guys, when you're verifying your documents, you are going to upload your ID, the front of your ID and the back of your ID. Then you take a selfie of your face, and also when you're done verifying, then you're going to receive the no deposit bonus. The moment your account is verified, you're going to receive the no deposit bonus, and you can use that amount to trade. So whatever amount you make with that account, with the $100, you can withdraw your money after a period of time. You can withdraw that money, and then you can, just grow your money, guys. This is one of the best things that I've seen, in the trading industry, guys. Always receiving that no deposit bonus. You can always use that money to make your own money, guys, if you don't have really enough money. And when you deposit money, you can get a bonus off that money, guys. So make sure to check it out. as you can see here. So when I tap welcome bonus in here, you'll see they will tell me to go, and as you can see here, so I need to make a deposit. I've already made the deposit. Now since my deposit has not yet arrived, I'm going to wait until my deposit arrives. Then I'm going to be receiving my bonus. So guys, as you can see, I already received my welcome bonus because I just uploaded my documents and to verify them, and also I made my deposit. So both of these things are going to be verified, and in the moment I'm going to be receiving my bonus, and I'm going to be showing you guys. So make sure to use the link below to sign up with ForexChief, and then guys, don't forget to DM me so that I can add you to my group, and then we trade together. I'm going to be giving you free signals, guys. So make sure to subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.